Welcome to this quick informative video showcasing the standalone sandboxing functionality in PolySwarm. In this video, we will cover how to use this function to sandbox a file in order to understand the TTPs being used and the other metadata surrounding the file. In this scenario, a SOC team has witnessed an artifact seen multiple times in their environment. They need to understand how to better defend against it to protect their organization and also how to reduce alerts to their team. This SOC team has their own MITRE security coverage mapped, so they need to understand the TTPs this malware is utilizing in order to improve their security posture. Jumping into PolySwarm, navigate to the Sandboxing tab. You can see all the sandboxing you and your team have initiated, but today we will focus on detonating this file. Click on the Submit to Sandbox button to bring up the Sandbox section. From here, drop or select the file from the correct location, then you can choose the provider and sandbox image you want. Once you have selected this, click the Submit button and wait for your file to be uploaded. Once the file has been uploaded, you will be brought back to the My Sandboxing tab, and from here, you can see the status of this detonation. You can now use the Refresh button to refresh the status. Since we have an older submission, let's look at those results while we wait. Click on the Action button to see the contents of the detonation. Quickly navigating to the Analysis tab will allow you to see the MITRE TTPs used and make a choice to improve these areas in your own security posture. Clicking on each individual TTP will bring you to the official MITRE website to dive into more detail. There is so much more intelligence in this sandboxing area. Feel free to dig around and also use our documentation website at docs.polyswarm.io as guidance. Thanks for watching this short video on using PolySwarm to submit a file to our sandbox in order to understand the TTPs being utilized. We look forward to seeing you on our next video. If you have any questions or want to speak to the PolySwarm team, feel free to reach out to us by email at customersuccess@polyswarm.io.